Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to use the elements of the element of page in Canvas LMS. So page is a wiki or something like where you can create now different multimedia or materials you want to deliver or you want to submit for students. So for your teachers, if you want to deliver materials, the page is a very good one to work on. Here is a page. So a page is something like you put your content inside and it turns out to be like a web page, or technically it's a wiki page when you go on Canva. So what we're doing now is that what are the capabilities of the editing inside Canvas page? So there are two ways. The first one is the HTML editor. So if you're embedding this one, and then there's now the rich text. Now in the rich text, there could be formatting. So for example, I'm going to write now the word format. So in format, if you choose that, the first one that you could see is that you have your toolbar, the edit. So those are the editing things, the view, and then the insert, format, tools table. So on a format, you can have it here, like you can change now the size of the font size format, and then it's it sends like a heading 3 like a designer style. So I'm gonna go back with paragraph. So you can select heading 2, heading 3, formatted paragraph. So format, then you can have now another formatting would be bold, italic, underline, and then you can change the background. If I'm mistaken, this is now the text color. So this is now the text color. So if I want to put now the color is gonna go with red, and then the other one would be this one, the background color. So red is complementary with green. So let's see. So that's how you format it. So those are formatting. Another way to format is that this one. Let me have this one. So it has the same. So let me just change the color into black once again, and then the background would be white. So for example, I want to put now x sub 2. However, I'm going to put now, I put out now underline, italic, and bold. X sub, exponent. So we're going to put now exponent. So how we're going to make it like an exponent in this manner. So this would be now the superscript. Okay. So that's how the superscript would going to work. And then I'm going to click that again to return that another. Now let's go on subscript, exponent, or what we call the superscript. Now superscript. Now, for example, I have now a sub 4. So we're gonna work with a sub 4. We're gonna pull down that, so you have now the subscript. So you have now the subscript now, and that is now a subscript of, for example, in science or like a coding. Now another thing is that you want to put now a link. So if the link is external, for example, I want to put now a website like www.edutopia. So for example, we're gonna put this website. For example, I want to put this website. So we're gonna copy the URL, copying this one, and then in this one, so let me have this one, it's the link. So we're going to do now the link, for example, external link. For example, I'm going to go with external link. So I'm going to put now here Edutopia article. Then I'm going to put now the link here, and that's now the Edutopia article. Now, if you want to put now some image, you can put now an image. So you can upload or course image or user image. So upload image. So for example, I'm going to put my picture there. So I technically, it doesn't have any description, or you can put a description, or I'm gonna put this as decorative so that it will be on the accessibility. Okay, now the picture is already there. Some kind of big, so we're gonna resize that. You can resize that by dragging this one. Now the picture is now a little bit smaller. So this now is small. Now after an image, if you put now an image, so we're gonna put now the text a little bit smaller. So if the smaller, so put it at 12. So we're going an image, you can put now also a video, or you can upload your recording. For example, I'm gonna upload a record of myself. So you can click now the record. So I'm gonna allow my camera here. So for example, this one. So let me just fix my sense of my camera here. I forgot this one. So this is my camera. So let me just have this one. So you can now record your response there. So start recording. Hello, my name is Bebs Ever. So this is now recording right now. So when it's already okay, you can now upload that and save media. So that's now how you record now your media, or you can upload a file there, and then you can put a YouTube video or a document. For example, I want to upload a document. Wait for a while. Let me just go on a formal font. So you can upload now a document. Upload a document. For example, I have a document here like this one. Now let's go with on the desktop, like a document. So for a while, I believe I have here a document. So for example, I'm gonna work on with this document. So submit. So a link for a document is already there, so they can download that. So another formatting is here that justify the alignment. You can make a bullet, indentation, and then clear formatting. However, another thing that I want to put now is a video. So you can put now a video here. So for example, I want to put a video that I created in YouTube. So Bebs Ever Thoughts. So I'm gonna search that video and then I'm going to embed. Now in embedding there are three ways: the small, medium, and large. So I'm gonna work with medium size. So the medium size of the video would be there. Okay. Another thing that you want to get inside insert now in a Canvas page for a while. Let me have that. So I have here this one. So if that is, you can now insert a table. So inserting a table, for example, I'm going to create now a 3 by 3 table. So the 3 by 3 table would be there. So you can respond using table. Another thing that you can insert for math and science, you can insert now an equation. For example, if you want to put a fraction, you type now a fraction like this one. Like I want 2/3. It's just like that. However, when you go on directly in a not in a latex, so yes, that's how you type it. However, this is what it looks like, 2/3. So fraction is now easier now when you type it inside Canva. Oops, for a while, it's some kind of working on that. So those are the things that you could input in your Canvas page. I hope you learned something about the demonstration in Page in Canvas. I hope you can create now a lot of things with Canvas. Thank you very much for watching. Hoping you learned something. Have a great day, everyone.